Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to Google AI Studio in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to eStudio, Google.com ***. Once the website loads, click the asterisk sign in *** or get started *** button if you're not already logged in. Next, enter your Google account email address and click next ***. Then type your password and click next * again. If your account has two-step verification enabled, complete the verification process by entering the code or approving the sign-in request on your device. After a successful sign-in, you'll be taken directly to the Google AI Studio dashboard. Here you can access Gemini models, create AI prompts, generate text, test ideas, write code, and explore other AI tools. If you're signing in for the first time, Google AI Studio may ask you to review and accept the terms of service. Read the information carefully, then click *** accept *** or continue * to finish the setup. If you're unable to sign in, double-check that you're using the correct Google account and password. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you've forgotten your password, click ***, forgot password ***, and follow the recovery steps provided by Google. Once you're logged in, you can start creating prompts, experimenting with different Gemini models, and even generate API keys if you plan to build AI-powered applications. And that's it. You've successfully signed in to Google AI Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.